Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted photos or videos on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Photos app. Scroll down and find the recently deleted option. Once you find the recently deleted option, simply tap on it to open the folder. Here, you will see all the photos and videos that you have deleted within the last 30 days. Now, tap on the photo or video that you want to recover. After selecting the photo or video, tap on the recover option located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Finally, tap on the recover option again to confirm that you want to restore the selected photo or video. And this is how you can recover deleted photos or videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.